Morning everybody. Can I come in? It's freezing out here. Oh, that's cold outside. Okay, before we get into today's video, have you subscribed to the new channel yet? Thank you to everyone that has already. It was really, really great to see you over on the new channel. Okay, let's get back into this one. Now, in today's video, we are gonna fit the timbers around the hearth, around the base. I'm going to finish off setting the stones. That's enough to get started, that's for sure. So I'm going to get set up. I've got more lighting. Hopefully there's not so many dark areas and shadows. Always a challenge. Let's get started. Okay, so the plan is continuing with the stones. Going to level these back ones up, get it all nice and set. And then I plan to work on the perimeter timber that goes around the hearth. Now what that will do, it will bind it all together. The base of this here will sit on this stone over here. Now the new timbers will go on the outside, and that will give it added strength when the pressure comes down on the stone. It'll all be held in nice and tight with the new timbers. But before I can fit the timbers around the base here, I'm going to have to dig the ground down because they're quite tall and deep, and the floor in here is very uneven, so I'm going to have to get my Kango out and do some digging around the outside. So we'll get those back stones levelled up first, Kango out, take the soil or the clay out around the outside of these stones, and of course I've got those beautiful little encaustic tiles to go around the outside. So yeah, that will be a great feature for this ancient fireplace. Yeah, it's definitely coming along. It's going to look fabulous. Now these back stones are going to take a bit more levelling up, so I think I'm going to use a bigger aggregate mixed up with the lime, and then that way, if I used the mortar mix that I used on these, that'd probably belly down. So need something with a bit more grit in it, bigger stones, so we can get all this levelled off, and we'll get round to fitting these timbers. We're going to work on this stone first. So when you use this sort of system, every time you lift the stone up, more goes underneath, and eventually they come up. So when you're working on your own, you can't keep lifting them. That's why I do it anyway. The bottom of the stones are so uneven and different depths, and I wasn't going to get into splitting them down and making them fit like that, but this will be okay. I'll get the tops level, but it just takes a little bit more work like that. But believe it or not, that's absolutely spot on. That, however, is a different story. Yeah, that shows that that's quite high, which I know. I mean, the wood burner's going on this area here, so hasn't got to be level for any specific reason other than just getting the wood burner sighted correctly. And of course it's got to look right by eye. It might not look much now, but trust me, once it's all cleaned up and pointed in, it'll look like it's always been here. Okay, that's as far as I'm going to go with the stones at the moment. They're all virtually levelled up. I've got a little bit more adjustment when I come to pointing them if I need to. But basically, they are all where they should be. Right, the next stage. I'm going to get my Kango out. I'm going to take some measurements and I'm going to remove some of this clay soil around the outside so I can get my new timbers in. I've got to cut the corners yet. So I've got the area ready now. I've just got to reposition the acro because I'm going to be digging where the acro's into the ground. So I'll just take that out. It's only just as a precaution until I get the uprights in. Right, we're in. That's good, that's supported. Now let me show you what I plan to do around the base. Now all I need to do is just simply remove the floor surface around that area, just so I can put my new timbers along the stone and then haunch them up and fix them into the ground. So here it is. What a lovely bit of kit this is. Right, let's get this set up. Ideally I could use a wider spade piece, but I haven't got one at the moment. It's on the wish list. A few other things on there and all. Okay. I think I'll start this end first, and that way I'm not falling over the soil on the floor once I dig it out. So yeah, let's get this little bit across here dug out, and then we'll work our way across the front. Certainly making light work of this. Yeah. Okay. Oh, thanks, dear. Okay, once again, a big thank you to everybody that supported me by buying one of these calendars. It's getting late in the day. I'm getting tired now. So yeah, we nearly hit the 100 mark, you know, which is pretty good. And yeah, it really did help me buy lots of things, you know, for the project. So thank you once again. They're still available if you want to grab them before they go. Well, we've got probably until the end of January, then I suppose naturally people won't buy them anymore. So they're still available, free worldwide delivery. Don't forget to check out my new channel, Sean's Universe. Sam has called orders on me today. She said that's enough, not overdoing it again. So see you all in the next video. Bye for now.